Hello, my dear students. Good morning. Today we are going to see what you mean by factors. Okay, in the last class we have discussed about multiples, and in this class we are going to discuss about factors. For understanding the concept of factors, let's take the example of 18 balls. Okay, let's take 18 balls and arrange them. How can you arrange that 18 balls? That 18 balls can be arranged in different ways. First, I am arranging that 18 balls like this. So here when you are counting, you can see that there are 18 balls. And how that 18 balls are arranged? 18 is arranged equally in how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 columns. Okay. And 18 is arranged in how many rows? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Okay. So you can say that the number 18 or 18 balls are divided equally in how many columns? 6 columns, and 18 is divided equally in 3 rows. Okay. Now let's see another arrangement of this 18 balls. Here also when counting, you can see that there are 18 balls, and this 18 balls are arranged in how many columns and how many rows? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 columns. Now how many rows? 1, 2. 2 rows. So 18 is arranged equally in 9 columns and 2 rows. Now let's see another arrangement of this 18 balls. Here also you can see that by counting there are 18 balls, and 18 balls are arranged in how many columns? There are 18 columns, isn't it? 18 columns, and how many rows? Only 1 row. Okay, so 18 columns and 1 row. Now you have to take the number of rows and number of columns in each example. That is, in the first example it was 6 and 3. Okay. And in the second example it was 9 and 2. Now in the third example it is 18 and 1. Here when we are taking each and every number, that is 6, 3, 9, 2, 18 or 1, and dividing 18, the number 18 by any of these numbers, okay, then the remainder will be equal to 0. So these numbers 6, 3, 9, 2, 18 and 1 are called the factors of number 18. So we can say that the number 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18 are called the factors of number 18. Factor. Okay. So what do you mean by factor of a number? Factors of a number are all the numbers that divide it exactly without leaving a remainder. Isn't it? We have seen that when we are dividing the number 18 by any of these factors, the remainder will be equal to 0. Okay, so that's all about factors. Now let's see the properties of factors. The first property is smallest factor of every number is 1. So what is the smallest factor of number 20? The answer will be 1. Now what is the smallest factor of number 36? The answer will be again 1. So that is the first property. Now let's see the second property. Greatest factor of every number is the number itself. That is, if you are asked to find the greatest factor of number 32, what will be the answer? The answer will be 32 itself. Now let me ask you, what will be the greatest factor of number 53? Again, the greatest factor will be the number 53 itself. Okay. Now let's see the last and final property of factors. The property is factor of a number is equal to or less than the number. In the example we have taken earlier, we have seen that the factors of number 18 were 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Here you can see that all the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18, all are less than the number 18. That is what the property says. That is, factor of a number is equal to or less than the number. Okay, so this is all about the properties of a factor. So I hope you understood about factors and its properties. Okay, so let's wind up. Thank you.